Hello, I'm Levi with Jon Wayne Service Company, and today we're going to be doing a precision tune-up for one of our customers on their HVAC system. Let's go take a look. So now I'm going to open up the indoor system so I can check some of the amp draws for the emergency heat system and check some of the safety devices so that the customer is safe in their home. So right now, I'm gonna blow out the drain line because it has a restriction in it, and if it backs up, it's gonna cause a major leakage into the attic, so don't want that happening. So I finished the indoor portion of the tune-up, so I've moved to the outdoor system. So I'm gonna check the refrigerant charge, and I'm gonna check some of the electronic parts inside of the system right here. So I finished checking the electronic components inside the electrical panel. So now I'm going to take the top off of the system so that I could clean it out. It's full of leaves and debris. And we got to make sure these coils are clean so that it has the proper airflow. All right, that wraps it up for this customer today. We're all finished with the precision tune-up. And once again, my name's Levi. If you think you need a precision tune-up, give us a call or go to jonwayne.com. Thank you.